Hello, this is Meowest and Grenon. I hope you guys are enjoying this first day of heat. The humidity levels are around 60-65 today, but the relative humidity is down to like 37%, so it's not too horrible out there. These are your current conditions right here. We have a nice southwest breeze from high pressure offshore. We have the slow cold front sparking up a few showers, as you can see right here. But this frontal system isn't really that strong. Today is Wednesday. It won't reach us Thursday. Tomorrow I only expect maybe some showers getting into western Mass, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal tomorrow. This frontal system starts getting closer to us on Friday and Saturday, giving us chances of some possible damaging thunderstorms or organized thunderstorms. But the National Weather Service was telling me yesterday that it's only going to be a heavy rain downpours. Thunder is possible, but the damaging winds and hail is very limited, because apparently they say that the instability ain't going to be that high and it's just not going to be the right setup. So I'm only expecting possible a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow. It's Friday, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. And definitely heavy downpours and maybe some flooding on Friday. Saturday, it's just going to be a low pressure system that's going to be coming in. The temperatures are going to be dropping into the maybe the upper 30s, low 70s, upper 60s, low 70s on Saturday. I think thunder is still possible, but I think it's going to be mainly rain on Saturday. I don't think for any severe weather is going to be a worry on Saturday. I think Saturday's going to be pretty much, I wouldn't say a washout day, but rain chances all afternoon into the evening. I'm just showing you the current conditions right there. Also, I can take a look at this right here too. Current temperatures and dew points across Massachusetts right here. And I don't want radius, I want all mass. Readings. It's going to be. It looks like it's in the low to mid 80s across the region mostly. We got some cooler weather due to the southwest winds making it cooler along the ocean-facing areas here, with low 70s and even some upper 60s right here. But the humidity is definitely looks like the dew point. Actually, no, the dew point temperature is 54. 54, 56, 61, 57. The dew point temperatures are around 55 to 60. I thought I saw 60 in Worcester Airport. I don't know what I was reading there. I was looking at the wet bulb temperature right there. That's what I was looking at. The dew points are still only in the low 50s. I thought today was going to be close to 60, but it's a little bit lower than I anticipated. The relative humidity, like I said, is somewhere around 35 to 40, so it's tolerable out there right now, but it's definitely going to become more sticky and hot Thursday and Friday. Next thing I want to look at is actually my blog post I did the other day. So those are the headlines. If you want to stop and read them there, since this is going to be a video, you can do that. But the next thing I really want to talk about is rainfall chances. Let's take a look at the couple of the meteorologist scale models. It should show you a heads up of what may happen. Thank you, Tropical Tidbits. You see that front right there is not a problem for us today, obviously. There it comes tomorrow. See, it's going to be mainly, looks like storms in Maine and New Hampshire, Maine and New York and Pennsylvania. I don't see anything happening here. The front is too far west and north. best chance of showers and thunderstorms are going to be Friday afternoon and evening. As you can see, this doesn't really show very well, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be an active Friday, but the National Weather Service doesn't think it's going to be too much severe weather out of the system. Let's take a look at this one since it goes out far enough. See, you have some little dots right here, but the resolution is very low, so this could be a huge banding of thunderstorms possible as the front is sagging from the north and the hot and humid weather sagging from the south. So we could have an action-packed Friday, that's for sure. See how the front is dropping down here and the heat and the humidity is coming out of the south. So we have to watch out on Friday, as it seems to be the best day for a clash of air masses. It seems like there's a low pressure system trying to form off the Gulf Stream right there, and that's going to probably give us showers and possible thunderstorms on your Saturday. This is going to pull the heat and humidity out of here by Sunday. As you can see, northerly flow, as you can see from these isobar. It looks like the front will pass on Saturday night into Sunday. Refreshing air is back in the picture for Sunday, as you can see there. But it doesn't take that long. It looks like there's a high pressure system that's going to bring in the heat and humidity again by Monday. I don't know if it's a high pressure system or this little, I think there must be a ridge building ahead of this next low. If you read my blog and pause the video right there, you would realize that the humidity and chance of showers start increasing on Monday night to Tuesday as our next weather system comes in here. And unfortunately this model is not developed enough, and I can see it's missing 0Z, which that's unfortunate. This is the old model, but I'm pretty sure there's going to be another shot of some rain on sometime Monday afternoon all the way into Tuesday. Then I think that front pushes the heat and humidity away from us again. It'd be more refreshing by Wednesday. So that's pretty much the story for the next seven or so days. I think today's Wednesday. This is Wednesday to Wednesday. That's 7 days there. So that's pretty much the recap for the next several days. So just to summarize here, the peak in the heat and the humidity will be tomorrow. The temperature is well into the 80s to low 90s. Heat indexes in the mid 90s to close to 100 in some places. Heat advisories may be needed by the National Weather Service tomorrow. I think temperatures start dropping off just a tad bit on Friday due to that frontal system and rain possible chances. I know it's going to be still extremely muggy on Friday, but the chances of it being like 90 is going to be a little bit lower because of the chances of rain that's going to give us refreshing air as the thunderstorm drops the cold air from aloft. So I expect only like upper 70s to lower 80s tomorrow. Let's just take a look at the GFS for a bit here. Yeah, I expect temperatures to start cooling off but still be very muggy on Friday due to less sun and more chances of showers and storms. So that's your Friday. On Saturday it's going to be a lot cooler due to more rain and from that low in that front right there. As you can see, showers and thunderstorms are possible. Then it finally clears on Sunday. So this model right here is saying we dropped the heat and the humidity a little bit, but not as good as the Euro. The Euro said it's going to be probably a fantastic day there. But the GFS is saying there could be a little bit of, it's not really anything. I still have to watch to see what Sunday brings, but I think that front should clear. And then it should be relatively dry Sunday and Monday, a little bit less humid and a bit cooler, but still 70s for a high and dew points in the 50s or 60s, depending on how aggressive that front is. There's our next chance of showers and storms sometime Monday through Tuesday. And hopefully by Wednesday that front clears. I know the weather models are all over the place, so but hopefully by the mid to late week we dry out again. Hopefully the temperatures are more comfortable and less humid. That's what I'm expecting towards Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures are still going to be warm because it's June, so don't expect 70s and 80s. Well, pretty much because it's almost summertime now, so. I know this video is a long update though, but I just wanted to talk about the rest of this week and talk about a little bit of next week. So thank you for watching this little update video from Meteorologist Randy. There's the headlines. I basically tried to go through the whole thing right there. So be careful tomorrow in the heat. Watch out for showers and possible severe thunderstorms on Friday afternoon into the evening. Saturday's not really a good day to be out due to the fact that the cold front or low pressure system is going to interact with each other, and it's going to be probably a very on and off showers and possible embedded thunderstorms on Saturday, so not really a good day to be out shopping or doing anything. Sunday should end up being a lot cooler and much drier weather. Same thing on Monday. Monday should be a little less humid but still warm. The heat and humidity will curve up ahead of the next low pressure system. So I think chances of rain is going to be back in the picture Monday afternoon through Tuesday. I think by Tuesday night that frontal system crosses and we get westerly winds that dries us out for Wednesday and possibly Thursday. I'm not going to go any further than that because it's out 7 days. That's pretty much all really to talk about. A little longer video than I expected, but it was good. It's me, it's just Randy signing off, and I will be back doing some live streams probably Friday and Saturday to see if we're going to have showers and storms. I don't think I'm going to be live Thursday as the front is too far north and west, so take care of yourself, stay cool in the heat, and have some fun. Peace out.